Hello everyone, and welcome to this guide to creating an LED lighting order from your design. This tutorial guide applies to multiple installation scenarios, and a parts list can be created by using the following methods. First, you could utilize a photograph or a rendered image of your project. Second, you can utilize a floor plan. Third, you can use an elevation, or you can use a combination of all three of these to create your list. First though, let's look at the 5 main components that make up your lighting system. These 5 components are consistent across most installations. First, you have your LED strip light or your LED puck light, or a combination of them within your design. Second, you have your connector for your strip light or puck light. Third, you have your connection wire that is used to connect to those connections. And then fourth, you have your dimming control with your wireless switch, finally powered by your power supply that controls the entire system power. Once you have all of these products installed, your basic hookup guide will look like this. You'll have your outlet, your power supply, your receiver that hooks up to your lights, and then finally your paired controller that controls your entire system. The next thing you'll need to decide is where the lights will be installed. Are you going to use under cabinet lighting, over cabinet, in cabinet, and so forth? Also, how many feet of strip lights or individual puck lights will be in each of these areas? Utilize your design to help you decide. Under cabinet lighting is great for task. Over cabinet lighting is great for accent. In cabinet lighting helps to show off display items. And toe kick lighting creates a very nice ambiance. In either case, use your floor plan for simple things like over cabinet or under cabinet lighting for measurements. On more complex designs, however, if you're going to be utilizing lighting in many locations, you may want to use your elevation view to clearly mark out and measure the quantities and locations for these items. It's always helpful to use an image in your design in laying out your strip lights and puck lights. Clearly mark them. Color-coded is even a good idea. This way, if you're using different strip light intensities or different puck lights, you can help differentiate them within your design. Another important feature that you're going to want to look for is whether or not you can run your wire around obstacles such as a window. If so, you'll be able to add just one power supply and receiver and hook your lights up end to end within your design. If not, you may be required to add one additional power supply. Adding that power supply, you'll also need to add an additional receiver and then connect your lights up accordingly. In this scenario, you'll need 2 receivers, but the receivers with the Quattro system can be paired together and the lights will operate as if they were one. You'll want to follow these same steps if you're using over cabinet or under cabinet lighting, and then create your list. The results are simply amazing. Not only do you have a space that's beautiful, well lit, but it's also functional, economical, and will last for years to come. We encourage you to look at our other tutorials, guides, and how-tos in order to fully understand how all of the products work together so that you can unleash your creative ideas.